Asia-Pacific Myopia Management Symposium bring together leading experts, fostering meaningful dialogue between the optometry and the ophthalmology profession.
Everyone needs to be engaged in trying to reduce the current trajectory of myopia prevalence and protect the vision and eye health of our children.
Over the years, we have got more and more associations coming on board, and this year we have 5 times more than the previous years.
We work with our partners like the World Council of Optometry, the World Society of Pediatric Ophthalmology and Strabismus to drive awareness and increase acceptance and accessibility to myopia management.
The APMMS brings me back every time because I want to be on the pulse of what's new.
We have an opportunity to get around the same table and do something for 40, 50 years in advance.